Welcome all my wannabe smoked cocktail enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the art of smoking cocktails with what is considered the best cocktail smoker on the market. But is it really? Let's take a look at the Smokeshow Cocktail Smoker to see if it's worth your money. What is up? My name's Wild and welcome to another Dude Approved review where a few minutes can save you a few bucks. The Smokeshow Cocktail Smoker is designed for both beginners and seasoned mixologists. The kit includes a very high quality smoker top, a kitchen torch, distinct wood dust flavors, more on those in just a moment, a scooper for the wood dust, and a brush for cleaning the ashes. The kit does come with everything you need to literally elevate your cocktail game. Let's start with this topper. This topper has a beautiful grain to it, and it's made out of walnut wood, which is a premium wood, which means that it's gonna last longer and hold up to the heat way better than all the other ones on the market. One thing that is unique about this topper right here from Smokeshow is they actually cover it in a natural beeswax, making it food safe, but again, it's gonna make the topper last even longer. Many cheap cocktail smokers out there will either put no coating on them, making them burn or char quickly, or they'll put some type of varnish coating on here, which you don't want because when you introduce heat to that, the fumes are gonna become toxic, which is no bueno. You also get a kitchen torch, which is very elegant, but works the same as every other normal kitchen torch out there. But I can say I do appreciate the beautiful aesthetic and it matches everything going along with the Smokeshow. You also get a wide variety of smoke dust / wood chip flavors. You get everything from maple, cherry, mesquite, apple, and way more. What I like about the dust flavors from this company is one, they give you a lot of dust in the tins. And two, you only need a little bit of dust to get a good smoking going. Literally, you only need a little pinch to get the perfect smoky flavor. So let's move on to the important part. How do you use the Smokeshow? Well, I'm glad to say that it's extremely easy to use. Let me show you. Now, if you like a strong smoky flavor, I would actually suggest that you do a 2-stage smoke. Fill a glass with ice. Gonna use a taller glass here so you can see the smoke more easily. Then place your topper on the glass. Sprinkle in a little wood dust of your choice. Now, hit the dust with the torch. Within just a few seconds, you will see the smoke start to gravity feed down into the glass. The smoke will coat the inside of the glass and the surface area of the ice, giving you that rich flavor that you're looking for. Remove the topper and add your cocktail in. You can grab your topper again, brush out the ashes into the trash, and add another small pinch of dust into the topper and hit it again with the torch. If you don't like a lot of smoke flavor or you only want the Smokeshow for that presentation look, skip this step and only do the final step here that we just mentioned. Once you hit it again with the torch, let the smoke sit on the drink for just a moment. Take it over to the person that you're trying to impress and remove the lid and waft it in their direction for an awesome smoke reveal and just an awesome aroma that's gonna hit their nose with a rich, smoky flavor. Now, is there anything bad about the Smokeshow? You know, I only have 2 minor cons about it. Number one is the kit doesn't come with a cover for the lid. When you're done smoking, sometimes the ashes and the smoke will come out from the top when you're done. I wish there was a cover so that way the smoke doesn't permeate the room. I want to keep that flavor and smoke inside the drink. You know, you're never really gonna use the spoon. You're just gonna use your fingers for pinches. I wish they would get rid of that and actually have a cover for the top of the lid. And number 2 is I feel like you should get an extra basket when you buy the Ultimate Collection like you see here. I don't know how long the basket will last. I've had it for 3 months and it's held up well, but they do recommend that you eventually will have to buy another basket. So I wish it came with 1 extra for the price that I got this at. So the big question, is it worth your money? 100% yes. I definitely give this a high recommendation and give it a 9 out of 10. Now the kit comes in right around $60 for 1 wood or smoke dust flavor, or you can do what I did and get the 6-pack for right around $75. I did you a favor and I put a link down in the video description for the cheapest place you can get it. And I would highly recommend getting the 6-pack because trust me, you're gonna wanna play around with all the different flavors for all the different cocktails you're gonna make. Now, if you wanna get the most out of your cocktail smoker, I have a video coming out with the 5 best tips to elevate your smoked cocktail game with something like the Smokeshow or any cocktail smoker out there. That video should be over to my side, but if it's not there just yet, that means it's coming very soon, which means you have to go down below and smash that subscribe button. And hey, while you're down there, don't forget to check out the links hit subscribe and share this and leave a comment so I know what you want to see in some of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching my review, and I'll catch you in the next one.